3,000 years ago, Britain was a desolate frozen wasteland. Not yet an island, it was unrecognisable from the Britain of today. A featureless landscape without a tree in sight. Herds of mammoth, reindeer and wild horses followed migration routes that took them across the entire North Eurasian continent in search of new grazing grounds. Bands of humans followed in their wake, never settling in any one place, always on the move. Theirs was a world of ice and stone. Yet from these unwelcoming beginnings, humans eventually settled in Britain, beginning with communities that hugged the coasts and rivers, who then gave way to agricultural workers who transformed the landscape with their farming. The history of Britain is one most people know something about, perhaps the Tudors or the Victorians, 1066 and World War II, but how exactly they all link together and what those gaps are in between is less familiar. This is the first episode in an 11-part series exploring this story, starting with the very first people to set foot in Britain through to the very times we live in today. This is the story of how Britain came to be, how our land and its people came to be forged over thousands of years. This is the history of Britain.